Hello, welcome back to Healthylivingfitter channel by Florence Straka. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to store a fresh lemongrass and how you wrap it all and put it in a freezer and use it whenever you want. So let's start right now. Okay, so this is the fresh lemongrass. I just cut this from a friend's backyard. She had a little garden. I just cut this to make some tea with this, but I'm gonna show you how you can store these and use it whenever, all year round. All you have to do is just wrap like this, just fold it little by little like that, so you can see how tall it is. You just fold it like that, and then as you fold, and then when you get to the end, almost to the end here, you want to run this around like that, and then just hold it around like that, and then put it through that little knot. All right, so once you like we were doing, you just take this around it and then put it through that hole like that, and then that's it. And this is nicely wrapped, and you can put this in a freezer that it will last. We just put this in a Ziploc bag, you see that, and you can do another one, the same thing with another one. So this is what I do with my fresh lemongrass. Since I know I'm not going to be using all, I just put it all together like this, like that, and then take it around it, and then take it through the hole, twist it around, and then go around it again, and then just put it through there. And that it's what you do, and it will just stay nicely. If you didn't hold, just go back and then do that again like I'm showing you, through like that, go around it, and then make that knot like that, and there you go. And then you have your lemongrass really ready for you. And then you can, this is what I did for the rest. The other ones that I have, all these has already, I wrap it all up. You just put this in a Ziploc bag like that, and then you just make sure, once you put in a Ziploc bag, make sure you close it, but get all the air out, just like that. See, all like that. Make sure you get all the air out. Keep going, closing it a little, get all the air out. You can see when all the air is coming out, and then you just seal it. And as you can see, we've taken so much air out of this. And then you just put it in a refrigerator, and then once you put it in the freezer, that's it. So I just showed you how you can store your fresh lemongrass as we did it, just like that. You make sure you get all the air out of here, squeeze it, get all the air out, and then you Ziploc, and like that, and you just put it in the freezer, and you can use it whenever you want. And when you are ready to use it, just boil your water, take it out, mash it a little bit to get the flavor out, and boil your tea, and you are ready to go. So that's all I want to share with you today. And if this helps you anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share, comment, like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me, and I'll get back to you. As always, thank you for watching my videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.